Okay, hello guys, and welcome to this video. Alright, my friend Jade's here, slash
Hi.
stepsister, is her tablet, her RCA tablet, was not turning on. And I don't know what it was. We watched a couple YouTube videos, and there's actually a reset button on the RCA tablet that's located right here
Probably by what is it?
by the SD card slot. Okay, there's also a button that says reset. And there's a really, really small hole, okay? So take it now, very carefully, put it through that hole and push it. And then you will hear something on the inside, you know, stain. Let me, but anyhow, what you do, again, take it, see lights on, boom.
But you gotta make sure it's plugged up.
Sometimes you don't, but this one was dead. See, and now you,
The crazy thing was it was only good power.
yeah, it was on 86% battery. So all we had to do, take it. Here, let's see if I can get it to focus on that reset. You can kind of see it, but you maybe don't see that little hole. But what you do, again, take it, take a nail, and push it. That's all you gotta do. So, just don't put that nail right here for now. So that's all you gotta do, and as you can see, it's turning on perfectly fine. And what Jade had to say, instead of me saying yay, she said, "My precious little baby." That's all she had to say. So here, hi. So yeah, I hope that helped y'all out. Subscribe, hit the like button. Bye.